the National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan until 7:30 p.m. At 6:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Addison, or 9 miles north of Hudson, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Onstead around 7:05 p.m. Tecumseh around 7:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Manitoba Beach, Devil's Lake, Springville, Rome Center, Rowan, Cambridge Junction, and Tipton. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Lenawee, Michigan. Here is the